What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jaden and I'm back with another video. And you can tell by today's title, today I will be reviewing the YEEZYxGAP Round Jacket along with giving you guys some outfits. So there has been a ton of speculation on this one jacket. A lot of people are comparing it to trash bag. So I'm just going to give you guys my honest opinion and then a couple outfits that I think can go really well with the jacket towards the end. But before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, I do make casual streetwear and style related content. So stick around and hit that subscribe button and follow me on all my social media platforms at JadenXMonroe. And if you are a returning subscriber, make sure to keep liking and keep commenting so I know that you're enjoying my content. And just thank you so much for your support. So let's go. So I have the jacket in hand right now. I'm not gonna lie, when I first got it, I definitely was a little skeptical on how it would fit me and how I would like it, but overall I don't think that this jacket is for me. I got it purposely because I wanted to just give it an honest review and I wanted to actually style it and just see what YEEZYGAP was working with. I did get it back in like June, I would say, and I did pay retail for $200, but they didn't end up charging me until like October when they sent it out. So I recently did get this as well. And yeah, let's just get right into the jacket. So for the most part, it is structured like your regular puffer jacket. It would be, obviously, you know, you have both sides that just go over your arms really well. I could say the only default is that it has no zipper. It has no zipper at all. Even though it has no zipper, and I know a lot of people were saying, I was reading a lot of comments and I was talking to a lot of people about it. Some people actually like the no zipper. Me personally, I'm so used to zippers that, especially on puffer jackets, I'm so used to zippers that when I first got this, I was a little like, how am I gonna wear this? How is this supposed to work? You know what I'm saying? Like, how am I gonna do this? But on the inside, they actually do have bungee cords that you can actually make the jacket tighter to fit to your body more. And then what I actually did, I actually tied it together so it can kind of stay closed. You know what I'm saying? But I honestly do think that this jacket is really good if you're layering stuff. Let's say you want to put on a long sleeve and then another long sleeve and then another long sleeve and then put a hoodie on and then maybe even two hoodies or even like another jacket or coat or something. This jacket will literally go over that one perfectly fine. Now the only thing that you could take into consideration obviously is that when you wear too many items along your underarms, how right here, this piece right here, this exact piece, how a lot of this can interfere with you putting on other jackets. That's happened to me so many times where I've had bigger sweaters or larger size sweaters and then I try to put on a nice, you know, fitted jacket that fits more of my size and it just doesn't work out because of this extra piece right here. But I got it in a medium because that is my true size. But I also know that Kanye does kind of go with the oversized kind of crop type of vibe, so I think I probably should have went down a size. I mean, I am trying to dwell into the streetwear realm and be a lot more versatile and just stand out more within my outfits. Another addition to this jacket is that it does come with pockets, of course, but the pockets are not too deep. I didn't expect them to be too deep only because it's a puffer jacket. A lot of puffer jackets, their pockets are not too deep, and you know, yeah. But it also has one pocket on the inside, which I think is very dope. Now that pocket is even smaller. I'm pretty sure you can just fit your miscellaneous items like your keys, your wallet, a charger, and maybe even your phone in there. I don't know if I can fit my phone. Let's see if I can fit my phone. Just look at how it is on. Like, wait, it looks kind of nice on camera right here. Hold on. So this is the pocket. This is the pocket. This is gonna be my phone. So if I put my phone in here, it only fits my phone. Like, I don't see me putting anything else in this pocket because my phone is here. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max and it's literally taking up the entire slot. I mean, again, it's going to be on the inside, so you can obviously stuff stuff in there. But right now, my entire iPhone is taking up this entire slot. The jacket is really nice. I think it is for people that like to wear very different items and like to constantly switch up their style with versatility and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, I do like versatility. I do like switching up my style and I do like finding other pieces, but just not with this one piece, only because it is a oversized jacket, of course, and it is blue. If I probably would have gotten a black one, it would have been a different story, but because it is blue, I don't see myself wearing it too many times, which is why I don't see the value in me keeping it, which is why I might sell it. But yeah, buy this jacket with the intent that you're going to wear it for a very long time and that you're actually going to keep it and you actually see value within the jacket. If not, then I don't suggest you buying this colorway specifically. The black one I think is going for $800 and I think the red one is going for $600 and this one is only going for $200. So yeah. But let's get into these outfits.